Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to turn any photo into the AI inner world double exposure portrait effect with Dream Face AI. So first, just open Dream Face app. You can download it from the Play Store, and then once you're in, just log into your account. And don't worry about the credits. Dream Face provides free daily credits, so you can try out AI effects and generate images without spending money right away. And then now let's create the effect. At this home screen, just tap on AI filter on here, and then next just scroll until you find the stylistic painting, this one, and then next just tap the filter that called inner world like this, and then next just upload the photo that you want to transform. This filter will create a unique portrait effect where the second version of the subject appears in the background and giving the image a creative, artistic, a dreamlike atmosphere. And then for the photo, for the best results, I recommend to use a clear portrait photo with good lighting. Photos where the face is visible and centered usually produce the most impressive outcomes. For example, I want to choose this one, and then next just tap on animate, just tap on it, and then wait for the process. And okay, like this, you can see it, your ordinary photo has now been transformed into a AI generated inner world double exposure portrait. You should see creative compositions featuring a second version of yourself in the background, even though it's a little bit weird like this, but I think the result is still cool. And okay, that's it. I think it's great for anyone who wants a unique profile picture or eye-catching content for social media. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.